build a police Lego with me?
Oh my goodness, Jack, what do you have today?
I have a Lego set.
Wow, this is the Lego City Bulldozer Break-In set.
Let's rip this open.
Okay, do we need scissors?
Yeah, there's 10.
Whoa, how are you gonna open that, Jack? What's that?
It's a grapple.
Whoa, there's one bag. All right, dump it so they can see everything inside. Holy smokes, that's a lot of stuff.
Whoa. Let's build a police truck first.
Oh my goodness, Jack has hiccups.
We're gonna build a police truck.
Hiccup.
Mommy's gonna help us build. We did it.
Wow, what goes inside there, Jack?
The bad guys?
They go inside there, and what else?
Well, there's police.
Wow, oh, and the door is open too? Wow, what a truck, kids.
And guess what else there is?
A dog. Woof, woof, woof.
Hey, Jack, what do you think that the bad guys are gonna rob that we're gonna stop them in this police truck?
They're gonna be robbing the bank.
Should we build the bank?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Time for a time-lapse.
Done! Look, kids, there's a teller with a computer and a cup of coffee, and then there's like a vault, and the door opens, and there's a safe that opens and closes with money inside.
Oh, wow, I bet the robbers want to get at that.
What do you think, Jack? Is that where the robbers are gonna go?
Yeah. They're gonna fall through the trap door.
Kind of crazy, kids. Look, this bank has a trap door in the top.
Wow, I bet that's where some robbers can get in.
I bet so. What do you think? And look what else. It's got a security camera, and it has an ATM with money in it that pulls out. And there's a little alarm here. This is really cool.
I still have hiccups. It's time to build the bad guy bulldozer.
Wow, let's check out some of the features of those before we start playing.
This helicopter is really cool. It's got the blades. It has a security camera. It has a police officer pilot. Isn't she awesome?
Yes, awesome.
It has a spotlight, and it has like a back propeller.
Whoa, are you knocking that stuff out of the way? With the blade, nice.
What else does the bulldozer have, Jack?
It has the chain.
What do you do with the chain?
It pulls down this thing.
Oh my goodness, let's see what happens.
Oh my goodness, the money's everywhere!
What did they get, Jack?
They got the money.
Whoa, here comes a police truck.
Stop! In the name of the law!
I think we should hook them together.
Oh, let's hook them together. You come out of there, Mr. Bad Guy.
They're escaping.
Oh, no.
Where do they go? I'll light them up. Where are the bad guys? Oh, I see them. Molly, the police dog, you need to get them. They're going in the bank.
Ha ha ha. We're getting in here right now. And you can't catch us inside here. We're never going to come out.
Molly, the police dog's going to save the day.
Woof, woof.
Ruff, ruff. Ah!
Oh no, poor Molly.
I'm getting up to the building. How are we going to get up when the bad guys are on the building? How? I think we should use this ladder. You can't catch us, please. Oh, yes we can.
Are they fighting?
Ah! Yes, who? We should go save that guy. No, you can't.
Police officers down! Police officers down!
I have fallen out the helicopter onto the bank.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh no, is the helicopter on autopilot or is it gonna crash?
It's gonna crash.
Oh, crash.
Moo ha ha ha. We're stealing the helicopter. Ha 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 ha. We got it. Moo ha ha. Where's the good bad guy to go? Not.
What in the world is happening on top of this police truck? Did you put the bank vault in there? Did the robbers take over the police car as a good way to rob the bank? Wow. All right, guys, I think this is a great place to end. Jack, is there anything you want to tell the kids? You want to show them that? Wow.
Bye, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.